5 signs you are not financially ready for a crisis. Number 1, walang emergency fund, walang savings, walang backup. Kapag nawala ng income, nagdoble na ang mga bilihin, nagkasakit, saan ka kukuha? Usually, the answer is utang, and that is the biggest red flag. Number 2, sa household nyo, iisa lang ang sweldo, tapos ubos agad. Your family is living paycheck to paycheck. Ibig sabihin, wala kang buffer kapag may crisis. If mawala ng work or humina ang business, do you have a backup? Number 3, ginawang emergency fund ang credit card. The rule of thumb, never ever swipe the money that you don't have. Kapag may big expense, emergency, swipe agad. Hindi solusyon ang utang, dagdag problema lang yan. Number 4, sobrang easy lang nito pero wala kang disiplina. Every 3-3, 4-4, double digit sale, may na-check out ka agad. Every sale mabilis mabudol, inuuna ang wants kesa sa needs. Remember, kapag wala sa budget, dagdag gastos lang yan. Number 5, very common, hindi mo alam kung saan napupunta ang pera mo. Hindi ka nagtatrack, wala kang budgeting system. Paano kanyan maghahanda sa emergency if hindi mo alam ang cash flow mo? Hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman para maging ready. Kailangan mo lang maging prepared. Start small. Number 1, build emergency fund, savings, kahit very small pa yan. Track your expenses para alam mo kung saan napupunta ang pera mo and protect your income. So check the next video so you'll know how to fix this.